Yo, what's up YouTube? It is Tuesday here and currently I'm just heading to the USA, the States. I'm going to Border Services to pick up some car parts. I ship them to the States just because it saves me money on shipping. So I got some brake pads, calipers, and rotors for my turbo Civic. So yeah, I'm just gonna head across the border, go to Border Services, pick up my parcels, and swing back into Canada. So should do a little vlog today and I'll keep you guys posted.
Somebody save me from myself, yeah. Tell them they can take that safely, I know that's still.
Yo, what's up guys? As you can see by the previous clips, we took a little detour on the way to the States. I stopped at Adams Lake. I've never been here before. So there's a bunch of trails, there's a lake, like a volleyball court, blah blah blah. Like it's a pretty big thing, I guess. It's a provincial park or something. But we're out here just on a walking trail, I guess. Just kind of exploring, so I've never been here. So got a little trail down there. We got a beautiful view here with the lake and the van just parked down there. So yeah, we're just out on a little adventure here, just walking some trails. Definitely gonna have wood ticks after this one, but there's a nice little open trail right up to the lakefront, so we're gonna go check this out.
Hope we don't get too many wood ticks.
View that we're working with. Yo, what's up guys? Found a nice little bench here at the end of this trail. So we're just chilling here, taking in the view.
Guys, what's up? We left Adams Lake there, got some nature shots, and we're just about to the border crossing, so we're just gonna dip into the States, grab my parts, and then swing back into Canada. So see you guys in a bit. We'll be stateside. Alright guys, what's up? We just got into the States. The girl at the border was kind of tripping out because I'm on the wrong side in the van, obviously. She's like, this is so weird, and just like freaking out. But yeah, she gave me the clear, obviously, to go into the States, so I'm just going to pick up my parts and then head back into Canada. So we'll see what the guy at the Canadian border has to say about it. Alright, what's up guys? We got the parts here. I'm assuming these will be the brake pads there, obviously, and then the calipers and rotors will be in that big box there. So yeah, we're in the States right now and we're just heading back to the border. So we'll be in Canada probably 10 minutes. And just like that, we're back in Manitoba. So it was only $273 for everything, so it was cheap enough that I actually didn't even have to pay duty. So I saved a bunch on shipping and didn't have to pay duty bringing them back. So, score!
Drilled and slotted rotors for the Civic. Alright guys, we got one more box left. This is what we have currently. The rotors here, the calipers here. Crazy. And we got this box left here, and this will be the Brembo brake pads. Pads are all wrapped up. I'm not even going to take those out, but you get the point. So yeah, we're gonna be doing these on the Civic. That'll be another video, but there's the parts unboxing. Super stoked, drilled and slotted rotors, powder coated calipers, Brembo brake pads. This is all like not obviously just OEM replacement. This is all aftermarket stuff. So the Civic's brakes are gonna be pristine.